How do you tune a concertina? If you have ever wondered how to tune a concertina, especially in the context of Irish music, you are in for a treat. The concertina is a beautiful instrument that plays a significant role in Irish culture. Tuning it correctly is essential for producing those lovely melodies you hear in traditional Irish music. So, how do you go about tuning this charming instrument? Let's break it down step by step. First, it is important to know the tuning system of your concertina. Most concertinas used in Irish music are Anglo concertinas. They are commonly tuned to either CG or DG. Is very popular and works well for a variety of Irish tunes. DG tuning is also favored since many Irish tunes are in the keys of D and G, making it a natural choice for players. Next, gather the tools you will need. You will requiring a tuning screwdriver, a tuning fork or an electronic tuner set to the concert pitch, which is usually at equals for 140 Hz. You may also want some fine files or sanding tools for adjusting the reeds. A quiet space is ideal for accurately hearing the pitch. Now let's access the reeds. The reeds are located inside the concertina, behind the buttons. Carefully remove the reed pans by unscrewing them. Be gentle, as these parts can be delicate. Once you have access, identify the note and the corresponding reed. Each button produces different notes depending on whether you push or pull the bellows. Some notes have multiple reeds, so it is crucial to know which reed you need to tune. Next, check the pitch. Use your tuner or tuning fork to play the note and listen closely. If the reed sounds sharp, meaning it is too high, you will need to lower the pitch. If it is flat, meaning too low, you will need to raise the pitch. To adjust the pitch, here is what you do. To lower the pitch, gently file or sand the tip of the reed. This makes it longer and more flexible, which slows down the vibration and lowers the pitch. To raise the pitch, carefully file or remove material from the base of the reed near the rivet. This shortens it, causing it to vibrate faster and sound higher. This process requires precision, so take your time. After making adjustments, reattach the reed pan and test the note again. You may need to repeat this process until the pitch is just right. Remember, Anglo concertinas produce different notes on push and pull, so you will need to tune each reed for both directions. As you tune, consider the crossrow fingering technique often used by Irish concertina players. This technique allows for smoother and more melodic playing, so ensure all notes are in tune for fluidity. Lastly, keep in mind that traveling in Ireland can expose your concertina to various weather conditions that may affect its tuning. Regular checks and minor adjustments will keep your instrument sounding its best. Tuning a concertina may take some practice, but it is a skill that can be learned. If you find yourself in Ireland, consider visiting local instrument makers or concertina specialists, particularly in areas like County Clare, known for its rich concertina tradition. They can provide expert tuning services and advice tailored to the unique styles of Irish traditional music. By tuning your concertina carefully, you will be ready to join in the lively music sessions and gatherings that make traveling through Ireland so special.